Hi there, students. Vehement, vehemently, vehemence. You got an adjective, an adverb, and a noun. Okay, vehemently, forcefully, intensely, emotionally, emphatically. And this normally talks about feelings or expression of ideas or convictions. You can use it about tangible actions, but it's most commonly something here or here. So he vehemently denied being involved in any wrongdoing. He strongly denied it. The vehemence of his speech surprised all of us. He's a vehement supporter of equality for all. So he feels this conviction and he expresses it with great energy, with great conviction, with great emotion. He gave a vehement defense of his actions. He vehemently defended his actions. He vehemently shook his head to say no. Yeah, very strongly. The politician made a vehement attack on the government policy. There was vehement conviction in his actions. And then people vehemently condemned his actions. I vehemently oppose your proposals. Radical opposition to, intense feeling about, fierce conviction that. He vehemently desired to become the Prime Minister. The vehemence of his denial showed how strongly and how vehemently he felt about the matter. The vehemence of his attitude was clear for all to see. He loves his country vehemently. So strong, with strength. The workers vehemently expressed their opinions to management. Intensely emotional, full of forceful energy, deeply felt, forcefully expressed. So you could have a vehement wind, a strong, energetic wind, but it's less commonly used like this. You could have vehement patriotism, strongly felt, vehement support, loud, intense, energetic support, a vehement debate. There's some sort of fierceness, ferociousness and violence. So, as I said, you can use it for tangible things, but most normally it talks about a speech, a way of expressing yourself, an opinion, an argument, that sort of thing. Okay, so what about formality? I think this is really quite formal. I'd probably give it a 7, maybe a 7.5 in formality. It sounds a bit literary and a bit poetic. I think more informally, strongly, passionately, maybe emphatically as well. It's certainly a little less formal. And then vehement, this comes to us in English from Latin through French. There's a Latin word vehemens, eager, ardent, furious, emphatic. So vehement, it's like with violence, but not with physical violence. Strong, emphatic, passionate. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Vehement, vehemently, vehemence.